Hello, in front of me I've got Haier HD80. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with smartphone's app. In the beginning, on your smartphone, download and install HON app. Now, on the dryer, turn it on, select remote, and now press and hold delay button for 5 seconds. Now your dryer is in pairing mode. Open the doors of the drum, and now on the app select add washer dryer. Okay, next, I'm ready, and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. And once we are connected to Wi-Fi, go back to the app. Okay, found. And now scan this QR code. Confirm. Okay. Confirm. Firstly enter password to Wi-Fi. And now your dryer is connecting with the smartphone's app. Close the doors. Next, turn on your appliance. Select remote control. And now again, press and hold delay button on the remote control. Confirm, tap done, and now your app is scanning for the dryer. Now the washer machine, drying machine, is connecting to our Wi-Fi. This may take up to a few minutes. Start now. And now you can insert your credentials, but this procedure will forever until you reset your dryer. Assign the dryer to your account. So I will skip it, and as you can see, my dryer is now ready. Now I can schedule the drying. I can start it now. I can check programs and select from many programs. Then I can start it. Here we can check smart option, keep fresh face. We can check load capacity, energy efficient, cycle duration, and many more. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.